Top 5 Best Outdoor Chaise Lounges. Number 5. Giantex Outdoor Chaise Lounge with Wheels. Give your outdoor living space a modern look with this wide adjustable chaise lounge. It is wicker made of polypropylene and features a high back that accommodates your body shape to make your relaxation time comfortable. Plus, it reclines to 4 different angles to meet different needs. This lounger can also be used as a simple chair, thanks to the footrest that can be folded under the seat. The best part about this chair is that it features 2 wheels, which helps you move it from one place to another without a hassle. Pros: weather resistant, sturdy and durable, includes armrests, height adjustable backrest, suitable for indoor and outdoor use, easy to fold for self-standing storage. Cons: the armrests may not lock in place. Coming in number 4. Polywood Nautical Chaise Lounge with Arms. A chaise lounge chair that will make you feel like you are lounging on a cruise. Yes, please. This nautical chaise lounge looks like one of those loungers that you find on some luxury cruises. Along with being classy, this lounger is functional. It has a backrest that can be adjusted to 4 levels to give you a comfortable experience. Plus, it can lay flat for easy stacking and storage. It is made of Polywood lumber that can withstand any climate conditions, be it heavy rains, harsh winds, or hot sun. Moreover, if you're planning to go the eco-friendly way this year, this chair is an outstanding choice as its material is made with recycled materials like milk jugs and detergent bottles. Pros: stain and corrosion resistant, UV protected and fade resistant color, gives the appearance of painted wood, easy to clean with soap and water. Cons: the assembly might be time-consuming and difficult. Coming in number 3. Devoko 3-piece chaise lounge set. Elevate the look of your patio space with this set that includes 2 chaise lounges and a folding table made of black rattan. All 3 pieces of furniture are lightweight and feature a beautiful texture that makes them attractive. Apart from rattan, the chairs feature a steel tube for sturdiness and beige polyester fabric with cushion padding for comfort. The chairs are incredibly sturdy and can support a maximum weight of 350 pounds. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use, this set can also be placed by the poolside, in the garden or living room. Pros: weather resistant, lightweight and compact, includes a headrest, adjustable backrest with 5-gear position control, has a triangular support structure for increased stability. Cons: the cushion may not be stain or water resistant. Coming in number 2. Kettler Roma Folding Lounger. Brighten up your patio, backyard, or poolside with this white Roma folding lounger by Kepler. Crafted in Germany, this lounger is made of high-impact resin and features a contoured backrest that provides ultimate comfort and support. This model uses a safety fold track and latch system, which means it is easy to fold and will stay steady when stored in a standing position. Pros: durable, easy to assemble, drop-down foot section, 4 adjustable reclining positions, includes large wheels for easy maneuverability. Cons: it may fold up on its own sometimes when you try moving it around. Coming in number 1. Best Choice Products 2-piece chaise lounge set. Add a pop of color to your patio with this light blue outdoor chaise lounge set. Also, you can choose from a variety of other colors such as black, burgundy, and beige, and pick one that complements your patio the best. This set includes 2 pieces of chairs that are made of heavy-duty steel and feature flexible textile fabric. Also known as zero-gravity chairs, they are designed to provide a high level of comfort and support by evenly distributing your body weight when you are relaxing. Plus, it features a lockable reclining system, which means it locks in your preferred reclined position in place. Don't have a table? Not to worry, as these chairs come with a detachable tray with 2 cup holders, a phone holder, and a book or tablet holder. Pros: adjustable back and footrest, weather-resistant frame and fabric, folds into a compact size for easy carrying, lightweight, durable, and UV-resistant, has a high weight capacity of 250 pounds, comes with a removable padded headrest for added support. Cons: the steel frame tends to rust,